All right, welcome to What's Cooking Wednesday, everybody. I'm your host, Dimitri Giankoulas, and today we are making a chicken stir fry for you to enjoy. First, we want to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, warm up your pan, and dice up some onions. We have some vegetables chopped up, thrown into your mix, and then also what you want to do is use some boneless chicken breasts. We've got 2 of them here, lightly sauteed to a golden brown. Now, once your chicken is slightly sauteed, you want to throw in your vegetables, let them slowly simmer. And I like using some soy sauce, low sodium, for some flavoring as well. I add 2 tablespoons of water just to get a little bit more fluid in the meal and let the juices mix together. And voila, you have your chicken stir fry meal ready to go in under 5 minutes.